you want the kind of experience where you get to be part of very diverse teams and just having such a plethora of different perspectives on the table, there's no better place for you than the Marshall School of Business.
When I was looking at programs, I wanted ones that had a really kind of formal business education, but also really valued creative ways of thought, innovative ways of thinking, and kind of were open to people who had a different idea for how to be a new business leader.
It's really an opportunity for you to discover yourself, push yourself to limits that you didn't know existed, and really find what you're passionate about and have that autonomy to really discover what you want.
It's not only the location and the weather, but it also has good proximity to the companies or the firms which are of my interest.
There are so many classes and programs geared towards starting your own business or co-founding or getting involved with a startup. There are tons of competitions, great mentorship opportunities, professors who are really accomplished in the space.
The courses that Marshall designed for us really teach us about global strategy, global mindset, and the global financial market.
I learned so much more in 1 year in the Master of Business Taxation program than I did in any other academic environment, and it's because of the professors.
USC created that space for us to build camaraderie first and then be in a place where we could more easily give each other feedback and help each other grow.
You know, I think often we talk about the Trojan Network, and I have found time and time again, almost on a weekly basis, just how strong that network is.
You know, you talk about this idea of the Trojan Network or Trojan family. To me, it's not just the alumni network, it's like the people in the actual program itself. There's so many leadership opportunities. There's so many times where if the students want to see a change, they're the ones leading that and working with the administration.
I'm a part of several organizations. The one that I spend the most time on is the High Tech Association at Marshall. I'm currently the president
of BGBL, which is our Black Graduate Business Leaders Club.
I am currently the president of Marshall Pride, which is our LGBTQ+ graduate student organization.
I was in SIF, which is the Student Investment Fund. There are 20 student managers, and we manage about $10 million of the university's endowment.
I'm also a really proud member of Consortium.
I am currently the president for Graduate Asian Business Club.
I'm the president of the Consulting and Strategy Club, and I'm also a Marshall Leadership Fellow.
I've co-founded and now on the executive board of something called the MBA Sports Business Alliance with 8 different MBA schools across the country. And now we get to network and create educational opportunities as well as job opportunities for not only USC students, but students all around the globe.
Representation of all different ethnicities and backgrounds is super important in all contexts that I participate in, but especially in the business school.
What it comes down to is being willing to put yourself out there is going to expose you to new ideas, new points of view. And I think you're eventually going to start building a coalition of people that want to support you.
The Marshall community is so special and really unique compared to other top 20 business schools because it's a very small and intimate community. I think as a leader, I was able to become someone, have a personal brand, and have people that knew me.
Marshall does a great job at highlighting how people can become better leaders, but that also means understanding their backgrounds and understanding what the weak points are and how we can grow from that. Marshall does a really good job at creating a safe space for everyone to learn and to develop. I have been given a platform to lead, and not only to lead, but to shine.